So I'm going to show you how the light works. So we normally put the light in the front area, so you have access to the light after you install the tub through the front panel. So you have your control box, you have your actual light, which gets silicone to the actual tub, and then you have your cord, which you got to make sure is connected properly or the light won't work. So you have your box here, which you connect the light to. So this part would go into here, right? And then the back part of it will go into here. See? So that's how you connect your light. You got your control box, you got your